Hello, my name is Ruben Alakanian. I'm the founder and CEO of PAS Agency. Today's PASD Amazon DIY section, we're going to talk about how to grant an authorization at your brand registry to your VAs or agencies you're working with. So let's start with a question: why anybody would do that? If you hired a VA to work or an agency to work on your brand, one of the features that they may need to use is opening and compliance cases against unauthorized sellers or counterfeit sellers, as well as even simple actions as completing and changing the titles and bullet points on your listings will not be possible to be done on the user authorized account at your VA site if you're not also providing them with the authorization of your brand registry. So it's a crucial step once you are trusted the VA or the agency to manage your brand. And we'll dive into it. We'll look into the brand registry portal, sections where you're going to give the authorizations, and then step to do that. It's very easy to do, so let's dive right in. In order to get there, obviously you'll need to log in first into your brand services.amazon.com. A link will be in the description as well for you to find it easier. And what you want to do is you go into sign in. From here, you'll see three options: the Project Zero, transparency, and then a brand registry. Each one of these programs are layer of protection that Amazon offers for your brand. Project Zero is an invite only, so if you've already received the invitation, congratulations. Transparency is a separate program that allows you to gate your brand for unauthorized sellers, and the most common one is the brand registry, and that's where we're going to go in. Here we are at the brand registry portal. For those who are not familiar, your brands are going to be listed on one side, and this is your portal. It's a report violation section where you're going to report the unauthorized or counterfeit sellers, your standard case log, and then here you go to submission history. That's a topic for next time. For now, we're going to concentrate into the settings portion on your right side top corner. From here, where you want to go in, it's the user permissions. At user permission sections, you will be seeing all the authorized user, including yourself, who is managing the brand. And the next step will be invite the user to your brand. You type in the email, name, you pick the brand, and you pick the marketplace. So, interesting fact, if you've expanded your brand into other marketplaces, let's say the UK, you'll be surprised, but the brand registry will not extend to UK, Australia, or any other marketplaces if you do not grant a permission within your brand registry. So you actually may need to do that to yourself as well if your brand is being expanded to other marketplaces, and you may find yourself not being able to update the content or even duplicate the A plus if this permission is not added for the UK. So that's something that you may need to do it if you have that capability. If not, the next step is picking the marketplace. In this case, we're going to go with the standard Amazon.com. And the last thing you need to pick is the role. So there are three roles here from which the administrator, it's a must. So you got to pick the administrator, and there's like two other options: the rights owner and the registered agent. So there's no big difference in between them who you're going to choose, other than the understanding what the big differences are, which in the rights owner is someone from your organization, and as it reads here, an individual who is the rights owner or an employee of the rights owner who is authorized to report violations, or the registered agent who is a third party and authorized rights owner to report violations. In this case, if you're authorizing a VA or an agency, you're going to go with registered agent. Once done, you click send, and invitation will be sent out to the email. And all the VA or authorized agent needs to do is click accept and then log in with the specific email that you have provided for their agency or a personal one. So that's all it's going to take. It's literally going to take you no more than 5 minutes on your end, no more than 1 minute on the end of the agency or the VA. And that's all for today. Thank you for visiting the PAS page. Subscribe and click like button if you find this video useful, and I'll see you next time.